Hello. I know it's quite surprising, but you won't believe I just finished up. It wouldn't even have been 30 minutes since I finished recording the last video that is uploaded. That is uploaded definitely. So yeah, in which I said after finishing this video, I'll start my next day and go to the gym. So yeah, my next day has started and I went to the gym, but unfortunately it was closed. I did not know that it would be closed today in the morning because yesterday in the evening it was closed, so I did home workout, and today it is closed again in the morning, so I think it would be uh, functional today's evening, so I would have to go in the evening. By that time I think I should just go home and read the book I was supposed to read, although the fiction book which I currently had is finished. So I don't know what I would be reading in the fiction section. I think I would have to go and buy myself the book which I am supposed to read. Yeah, I'll come to the gym once again at 6 to see whether it's closed or not. If I would have had enough energy to continue, then I would definitely come. By the lighting here is so good, but the only problem is the background noise. It's so loud. I don't even know whether I am audible to you or not. I think that is it. The most footage would be attached for the current day by me. So yeah, bye. So ये वीडियो मैं इसलिए बना रहा हूँ बिकॉज मैं अभी बोर हो रहा हूँ. मैं अभी जो कुछ कर सकता था जब से मैं जगा हूँ, मैंने सब कुछ कर लिया. मैंने पढ़ाई कर ली, मैंने बुक रीडिंग कर ली, मैंने स्टोरी राइटिंग कर ली, मैंने गिटार बजा लिया, मैंने ड्राइंग कर ली, मैंने वर्कआउट कर लिया. अरे यार उंगली कहाँ से दिखाऊँ, इस हाथ से तो मैं फ़ोन पकड़े हुए हूँ. मैंने वर्कआउट भी कर लिया. और क्या क्या करा मैंने टाइपिंग भी कर ली. और क्या करना होता है यार, मेरे को सब कुछ कर लिया यार मैंने, और अब मैं बोर हो रहा हूँ करने को. सो जाना चाहिए, नींद भी थोड़ी थोड़ी आ रही है लेकिन सोने का मन नहीं कर रहा. मैं ये वीडियो क्यों बना रहा हूँ वो भी पता नहीं, मैं बस बोर हो रहा था इसलिए बना लिया. There is only 3% battery left on my phone and it might die at any moment. So I gotta summarize my day in under 2 minutes or so. And yeah, today's video will be short, so you gotta spare with it. So my day started at 4. I thought of doing most of my things before sleeping. That is after the time has got after 4 when my new day started. And I couldn't do any of those activities, and I'm really sorry for it because you have to suffer for it. But never mind. And once I woke up, I decided to go to Kanpur and get the new books for which I were to read, because I just finished Crime and Punishment. There is one more video which I wanted to make about expressing my thoughts about the Crime and Punishment, but unfortunately I couldn't get it done, and my phone is also getting discharged, so I don't think I'd be able to make it. But according to me, it was not worth it. It was very long for me. There were some points in that novel which I found really resemblance and helpful for me, but the whole work was kinda like overrated for me. It is my personal opinion. Now, I couldn't complete any of my targets for today except for playing guitar. Yeah, and I think that is it. If I were to summarize my day in a word, then it would be burned noodles, because today's day was not a good day. I tried to do everything but I ended up doing nothing. So yeah, that's why I'll name it burned noodles. And yeah, one of my female friends also left me, blocked me. And yeah, it is a whole lot of experience for me to remember that no one is permanent in your life. You gotta live with it as the life is offering you. The more pain you have in your life, the more life is making you capable of dealing with the things that is coming for you, waiting for you in the future. So yeah, stay strong. Yeah, bye.